Meet Moisture Shampoo. A daily color and keratin-safe shampoo that gently, yet effectively, cleanses hair while restoring moisture, improving smoothness, texture, and manageability. Moisture Shampoo is sulfate, phthalate, gluten, sodium chloride, and paraben-free. Moisture Shampoo is also vegan. Key ingredients. Sunflower seed extract provides UVA and UVB protection to preserve hair color. Coconut milk creates a strong barrier around the hair shaft to prevent breakage. Rhodochrosite balances moisture levels from roots to ends. How to use. Wet hair, and lather from roots to ends. Rinse well. Repeat if necessary.